Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to link your partner on the FLO app. In order to do so, first off you are going to want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store or whichever store is best suited for you. And when you look up FLO, you're going to be looking up FLO, and once you install that and you log in, it is going to take you through a variety of steps and questions. Eventually, it will find this page here, and you're going to be given a pairing code. Now, you can send this pairing code to your partner and have them install the app, and then at that point, the two of you will be connected. So if I wanted to send that pairing code, I can just go ahead and click on that button there, and then it's going to send that to whoever I choose, and they can install the app. We're going to go ahead and skip this step here because I'm just going to go through some of these steps, and we're just going to kind of skip through this, but this is going to give you an idea of some of the questions that you're going to be asked with the FLO app. And so as you go through those steps, then you'll be prompted for the pairing code there, and that's what you can send to your partner. So we're just going to go ahead and look here, and let's see here, and we're going to go ahead and just hit don't allow on that. And let's see, not now, because what we want to do is we just want to get through here and be able to show you how to manually send the link to your partner. So we're just going to let that think here for a moment. The last few steps here is going to take its time. Okay. So we'll go ahead and just hit continue, let's see, tap and hold on to commit, okay. We're just gonna keep on holding that there, and all right, now we are welcome to FLO. Okay, so here it's going to ask us about plans. We're just gonna click X out of that. We're gonna go ahead and skip that there. And we have a gift for you. Let's go ahead and just say no thanks for now, because we want to make sure that we are getting through this as quickly as possible so that you can see how to send that link. And this will just give you an idea of what to expect. And here we go. So once we're on this main page here, then you'll see here at the bottom right hand corner there's the option that says partner. And there you go. So we have the same pairing code that we had seen earlier. And if you want to send this pairing code to your partner, then this is how you're going to do that. Just click send pairing code, and then they will receive that and you can pair together. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.